What nutritionists eat every day to maintain a healthy weight. So, what do nutritionists eat every day? Spoiler: it's not all kale and quinoa. If you've ever pictured registered dietitians living on air, chia seeds, and pure virtue, it's time to debunk the myth. Truth is, even the pros mix it up. Nutrition isn't one size fits all, and neither are their daily meals. Today, we're giving you a behind-the-scenes look at what 4 real-life RDs actually eat in a day. From smoothies to spicy seasonings, they keep it real, satisfying, and surprisingly doable. Meet the protein and fiber worshipper. Yes, that's what we're calling her, and you'll see why. Pre-breakfast? Coffee, obviously, but not just any cup of joe. This coffee with a scoop of collagen powder and a splash of 2% milk. Why collagen? Well, the science is still catching up, but some research suggests benefits for skin, joints, and tendons. And honestly, if there's a chance it helps her avoid creaky knees and brings back baby soft skin, she's in. Breakfast. The smoothie that thinks it's a meal. This isn't your average sugar bomb. We're talking real fruit, think mango, blueberries, or cherries, blended with fresh baby spinach because #greens, healthy fats like tahini, chia seeds, or avocado, and a pinch of antioxidant-rich spices like cinnamon or ginger. Here's the twist. She doesn't eat first thing. A few hours into the morning, she blends up this powerhouse to keep her full, focused, and feeling like she already accomplished something great. Because nothing says, "I've got it together," like knocking out 3 servings of produce before lunch. Lunch. A salad that's basically a performance art piece. This isn't your sad desk salad, folks. We're talking about a meal. Picture this. A generous bed of pre-washed greens. Yes, pre-washed. Even dietitians don't have time to rinse every leaf. Topped with roasted veggies from last night's dinner. Maybe broccoli or Brussels sprouts if we're lucky. Some leftover chicken or a couple of soft-boiled eggs. A handful of chickpeas. A sprinkle of nuts for crunch, and boom. Finished with a homemade dressing whipped up faster than you can say, balsamic. The formula? Easy. Veggies plus protein plus healthy fats equals success. But she's not rigid. If she's not super hungry, she'll skip the chickpeas. If she's ravenous, she'll pile on more. Flexibility. The underrated nutritionist tip no one talks about. Snack time. Sweet meets savory with a dash of sass. Snacks are strategic. It's not, "I'm bored, let's graze." It's, "What will carry me to dinner without a hangry meltdown?" Enter an apple with tahini, because peanut butter's fancier cousin deserves a moment, or a handful of grapes paired with a small slice of cheese, because balance, and because cheese. Dinner, ground chicken taco salad a la RD. Let's taco about dinner. It's ground chicken seasoned to perfection, served on top of leafy greens, with black beans, avocado, salsa, and, the secret weapon, crushed tortilla chips for crunch. It follows a make it once, feed the family differently approach. For her, a hearty taco salad. For her 15-year-old son, actual tacos with corn shells, lettuce, cheese, and a very generous side of roasted veggies. We're talking half a plate because he's growing and probably still hungry 5 minutes later. Dessert. Dietitian approved but delicious. Don't worry, the sweet tooth is alive and well. Dessert includes a couple squares of dark chocolate. Yes, permission granted. A few frozen banana slices. Surprisingly good, trust us. And a warm cup of herbal tea to wrap up the day. Key takeaways from a nutritionist's plate. Yes, there's a method to the meal madness. So what can we learn from this nutritionist's daily eats? Veggies are the main event, not a sidekick. Every meal stars a mountain of vegetables. Salads, smoothies, sides, they're everywhere. That fiber-packed goodness keeps you full, keeps your gut happy, and yes, keeps things moving. Protein isn't just for gym brothers. From eggs to chicken to beans, protein is consistently sprinkled throughout the day. It's the secret weapon for taming hunger and keeping muscles strong. Especially important as birthdays pile up. Snacks that work smarter, not harder. No empty calories here. Each snack is strategically packed with produce, protein, or healthy fat. The triple threat that powers you through the afternoon slump without raiding the vending machine. Portions with a purpose. Listen up. It's not about eating the same thing every day. It's about eating the right amount for your day. This RD adjusts portions based on hunger, energy needs, and, let's be real, life. The Circadian Synced Diet. Starring Tamara Duker-Fruman, MS, RD CDN. Author of The Bloated Belly Whisperer, and yes, that's a real title. This dietitian eats with the clock. Her meals are perfectly timed to match her body's natural rhythm, like a food-loving Swiss watch. And while her meals sound fancy, they're actually approachable and deliciously repeatable. Breakfast, latte plus avocado toast, because she's classy like that. Start with a latte, 2 shots of espresso with frothed 2% lactose-free milk. Because caffeine, but make it creamy. Then comes the main attraction, 2 slices of Canyon Bakehouse gluten-free toast, half a mashed avocado, 1 perfectly sliced tomato, probably arranged in artistic spirals. Not feeling avocado? No problem. She's got a backup plan. Toast topped with Munster cheese, that's right, the melty one, and sliced baby cucumber. Either way, she eats within an hour of waking because breakfast waits for no one. Mid-morning snack, the sweet or savory pick-me-up. Tamara's no stranger to the long haul between breakfast and lunch. Her secret weapon? A couple of clementines, an apple, or dry roasted chickpeas, for the crunch lovers. It's a strategic snack, just enough to hold her over without derailing her day. Lunch, salad, but make it Mexican-inspired. This isn't just a salad. It's a fiesta on a fork. She piles arugula high, then adds black beans, pickled red onions, tomatoes, peppers, avocado, and whatever protein is hanging out in the fridge. Brisket. Chicken? Yes, please. No leftovers? No problem. She turns to her ace. Pacific Foods Sante Fe-style chicken soup, upgraded with crushed tortilla chips and sliced avocado or cheddar, depending on the mood. She lovingly calls this her Cheaters tortilla soup. And honestly, we're stealing that. Dinner, pesto meatballs and a veggie-packed plate. Tamara's dinners are pure structure. 5 nights a week equals protein plus veggie. 2 nights a week equals protein plus veggie plus carbs. Because potatoes deserve a moment too. Example, turkey pesto meatballs with marinara over cooked spinach or spaghetti squash. Topped with a sprinkle of Parmesan. Naturally. Friday night, it's a sacred ritual. Steak or brisket, a buttery Yukon Gold potato, chef's kiss, and roasted cauliflower. No substitutions. No regrets. Key takeaways from the Circadian Queen's plate. Carbs clock in early. Tamara's strategy is simple. Eat the bulk of your carbs and calories earlier in the day when your body burns them more efficiently. The result? Less late-night hunger and fewer snack attacks after dinner. Lunch is a power meal. A hearty, balanced lunch, with carbs, protein, and fat, keeps her energized and stable for the rest of the day. It's also a sneaky trick to avoid post-dinner cravings. Dinner, light but satisfying. While she skips the starch most nights, she doesn't skip flavor or satisfaction. Veggies and protein are center stage, and everyone in the family gets what they need. No food battles required. Routine equals sanity. Her meals follow a rhythm, and her Friday night feast? It's non-negotiable. Sometimes nutrition is about balance, and sometimes it's about honoring your love for a baked potato. The Carb Lover. Featuring Carrie Gans, RDN. Author of The Small Change Diet, yoga instructor, and proud toast enthusiast. If carbs had a fan club, Carrie Gans would be president. But instead of cutting them, she's mastered the art of eating carbs intelligently. Think flavor, balance, and just enough scooping to make it work. Breakfast. Oatmeal that actually tastes good. Carrie is the type who needs breakfast before doing anything remotely ambitious, like a yoga class or, making eye contact with another human. Her go-to: quick-cooking oats made with non-fat milk. A tablespoon each of chia seeds and chunky natural almond butter. 4 texture and omega-3 brownie points. And to wash it down, her signature drink: a 1/4 cup orange juice plus 3/4 cup seltzer. Why? Because plain water in the morning is boring, and this bubbly concoction is hydration with personality. Bonus: It's easier on the stomach and way more fun than a glass of tap. Oh, and there's always black coffee. Because caffeine. Lunch, the bagel gets a makeover. Carbs for lunch, always, but with a strategy. Carrie scoops out the inside of a whole wheat bagel, because balance, then piles on the good stuff. Tofu scallion cream cheese. 1/4 avocado. 2 eggs. Prepared however her mood demands, scrambled, poached, or fried. Tomato slices because veggies deserve lunch, too. And to round it out, a small mountain of blackberries, a 6-ounce container, to be precise, or a different fruit if she's feeling wild. Yes, there's more coffee. Obviously. When asked how she pulls off this carb-centric lifestyle without tipping the scales, her answer is simple. Portion control over deprivation. She doesn't fear bread. She just knows how to finesse it. Key takeaways from the Carb Whisperer. Carbs are not the enemy. Instead of ditching them, Carrie gets smart. Scooped bagels, high-fiber oats, and portion servings let her enjoy her favorite foods without going overboard. Hydration can be interesting. Plain water in the morning? Pass. A splash of orange juice with fizzy seltzer is her unique way to hydrate and gently wake up the digestive system without feeling like she's chugging punishment. Balance is baked in. Protein, fiber, and fat show up in every meal to make sure her carbs have company. This trio helps slow digestion, keep energy steady, and avoid a sugar crash by noon. Breakfast before everything. No fasted cardio here. This dietitian fuels up before she hits the mat, proving once again that wellness doesn't mean going hungry. Afternoon snack. The Italian mini break. When hunger sneaks in between lunch and dinner, Carrie keeps things simple and satisfying. 1 stick of string cheese. For Tirali crackers, little Italian twists that say, I'm cultured, but also, I'm just hungry. But honestly, some days she just skips the snack and eats dinner early. Flexibility is part of the plan. Dinner. Pasta that would make your nana proud. Let's be clear, Carrie eats real pasta. Not whole wheat. Not chickpea-based. Just good old white bowtie pasta. Tossed with shrimp or beans, sautéed Brussels sprouts, peas, garlic, fresh basil, black pepper, and Parmesan. A mixed green salad on the side, think little gem lettuce, grape tomatoes, and red onion, with store-bought dressing, because not every dressing needs to be whisked by hand. And to sip, 1 extra dry martini with olives, because balance also means joy, and she likes what she likes. Key takeaways from the carb-confident queen. Pasta isn't the problem, portions are. Carrie eats what she loves but in smart, satisfying amounts. Rather than chasing low-carb labels, she builds her meals with intention. Carbs plus veggies plus protein equals harmony. Snacking, optional, not obligatory. She doesn't snack out of boredom. If there's a long stretch between meals, fine, string cheese and crackers it is. But otherwise, she leans into full, balanced meals that hold her over. After dinner snacks? Think twice. Unless dinner is at grandma hour, 5 p.m. Most people don't need another meal at night. Try going to bed, she says. And honestly, she's got a point. Enjoyment matters. She chooses food that makes her happy. White pasta, a proper martini, flavorful dressings. All enjoyed guilt-free and with mindfulness. Because health isn't about restriction. It's about sustainability. The Macro Counter. Starring Emily Field, RD. Private practice pro and master of macro-based meal magic. Emily doesn't count calories. She counts macros. Protein, fat, carbs, the holy trinity. And she teaches others how to build balanced meals that hit all 3, without turning every bite into a math equation. Breakfast. Eggs with a side of all the things. Emily's morning meal is equal parts hearty and strategic. On her plate, scrambled eggs, Canadian bacon or turkey sausage, a rainbow of veggies, salsa and sauerkraut, yes, really, the goal? Balance. Protein from the eggs, meat, and a scoop of collagen, secretly slipped into coffee or smoothies. Healthy fat from yolks and cooking oil. Carbs from veggies because yes, plants have carbs too. Add some probiotics via sauerkraut, kimchi, or sriracha, And you've got a breakfast that checks every nutritional box and tastes like brunch at your cool nutritionist friend's house. Lunch. The ultimate tuna salad. Hold the sadness. This is not your soggy deli tuna. Emily mixes canned tuna with stone ground mustard, full-fat mayo, garlic, onion, and celery. Then she piles it high on a giant bed of raw veggies. Cherry tomatoes, bell peppers, lettuce, and whatever's fresh and crunchy. The result? A bowl so full it could double as a centerpiece. But the science is simple. Veggies take up space equals you stay full longer equals no mid-afternoon cookie raid. Snack, pairing like a pro. Snacking isn't about mindless munching, it's macro matchmaking. Her go-to: apple plus peanut butter, carbs plus fat plus protein. Jerky plus dried fruit, protein plus carbs. She skips the vending machine trap, where everything's a carb bomb, and chooses combos that actually satisfy and fuel her through the day. Dinner. Stir fry for the win. Dinner is a macro symphony. Sliced flank steak, cooked in oil, served with both regular rice and cauliflower rice, for volume without overload. Mixed frozen stir-fry veggies to round it out. Quick, easy, delicious, and macro-balanced to perfection. A meal that fills her up, keeps energy stable, and checks every box without needing a spreadsheet. Key takeaways from the macro queen. Macros make meals feel like fuel, not math homework. Emily builds every plate around protein, fat, and carbs, no tracking apps required. It's a flexible system that becomes second nature over time. Volume plus balance equals satiety superpower. By loading up on fiber-rich veggies and pairing macros smartly, meals feel satisfying without feeling heavy or restrictive. Whole foods, processed fixes. Whether it's full-fat mayo or frozen veggies, Emily keeps it simple and whole food focused, no weird powders or 100-calorie sadness packs. Pro tips for real life. From mixing riced cauliflower with real rice to eating sauerkraut with eggs. Yes, she's that brave. Emily shows how you can love your food and feel amazing doing it.